Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you install a wall thermostat to control a packaged terminal air conditioner, be sure to shut off the power supply to the PTAC unit's junction box. The wall thermostat should be installed approximately 4 or 5 feet above the floor in an area with an average temperature and good air circulation. Standard solid copper thermostat wiring should be used to connect the thermostat to the PTAC unit. Separate the back plate from the thermostat body and secure the plate to the wall with the provided mounting screws. Connect the transformer power wire, often colored red, to the R terminal. To do this, loosen the terminal block screw, insert the wire, then tighten the screw. Be careful not to over-tighten any of the terminal block screws. If available, connect the transformer common wire to the C terminal. Connect the remaining wires to the applicable terminals according to the installation guide diagram. If a common wire is available, the thermostat will operate without batteries. Otherwise, you should install 2 AA alkaline batteries in the body of the thermostat. Align the thermostat body on the back plate and push until it locks into place. The thermostat wiring should be routed beneath the PTAC unit and up under the front panel on the power cord side. The wiring should never be routed through the wall sleeve. Remove the unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. Carefully remove the terminal block from the control box. Connect all of the thermostat wires to the appropriate terminals on the block, according to the installation guide diagram. With the wires connected, reattach the terminal block to the control box. Locate the configuration dip switches above the terminal connections and set switch number 2 to the up position to allow for wall thermostat control. Replace the front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail, then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Install the wall thermostat label over the touchpad control panel. You can now turn the PTAC unit power supply back on and confirm that the wall thermostat is operational. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.